Good morning. Today we are solving one-step equations that are multiplication problems, and so the inverse operation of that is division. I do want you to look back at your assignment on solving one-step equations with subtraction, because there are a few of you that need to redo those. So look in your returned work and see if that is in there, and what grade you made, and if you need to redo that. Okay, solving one-step equations with, this is multiplication problems. Okay, so I do want you to take notes on this, so if you need to hit pause and go ahead and start your note process, that would be good. All right, so same kind of thing. We have our x, our unknown, our variable, and this time we're going to have a number right next to it. And when there's a number right next to, or if they have two numbers that are right next to each other, that means to multiply. Well, the inverse operation of that is division. So we're going to be dividing. So we ask ourselves, what is our variable? It's x. And what's keeping x from being by itself? The times 4. So we need to divide by 4. And that line means to divide. Okay, if you need to put a little division sign there, that's fine. So 4 divided by 4 is 1, and that's what we want, is just 1x by itself. Whatever we do to one side, we do to the other. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So our answer would be 4. And then we're going to make sure it makes sense. If I were to plug in a 4 right here, well, 4 times 4 does give me 16, so that's good. That's correct. Okay, let's try another one. 2x equals 132. All right, well, what's your variable? It's it's x. What's keeping x from being by itself? The 2. This is a multiplication problem, so the inverse of that, or the opposite of that, is to divide. We're going to divide by whatever is keeping the variable from being by itself, which here is the 2. Divide by 2. Whatever we do to one side, we do to the other. You're able to use your calculator, so take 132 divided by 2, and we get 66. Okay, let's check it this way. 2 into 132. 2 can't go into 1, but it can go into 13 6 times. 6 times 2 is 12. 1. Bring down our 2. 2 goes into 12 6 times. So our answer is 66. If you wanted to check it, make sure that 66 times 2 does give you 132. Well, this is 12. This is 13, so 132. It checks out. Okay, let's do one more. 5x equals 100. What's our variable? It's x. What's keeping x from being by itself? The times 5. What's the opposite or the inverse operation of multiplication? It's division. And we want to divide by whatever number is keeping x from being by itself, which here is 5. Whatever we do to one side, we do to the other. What is 100 divided by 5? It's 20. So x equals 20. And if we plug it in, 20 times 5 does give me 100. Okay, So you're going to have an assignment on this. They're about 20 points a piece because there's 5 of them. So make sure that you check your work. And like I said, go back and look at the solving one-step equations with subtraction and make sure that you're happy with your grade. And if not, you need to redo that. All right, have a great day. Talk to you soon.